TouchPass is PART's new mobile and smart card fare system. It allows passengers to buy their PART Express Bus Pass online or on their mobile device, and then use the TouchPass mobile app or smart card to pay as they board. That means no more fumbling with cash or having to visit a retail location to purchase your pass. TouchPass even keeps track of your transfers. There are two ways to use TouchPass: through your smartphone or using a TouchPass smart card. Let's see how to set up your TouchPass account on your smartphone. Open up your App Store and download the TouchPass Transit app. Once you open it up, you can take a quick tour or skip it by tapping No Thanks. Next, select the Don't Have a Card option. Now you can create your account with some basic information. Press OK to accept the TouchPass terms and conditions, then select PART as your agency. Next, click the three-bar menu icon in the upper left corner of your screen. Select Other, and then tap Contact Info to update the rest of your account information. It's important to set up your contact information so that PART can easily look up your account if you need assistance. Now you're ready to purchase your pass. Select Purchase from the menu and choose the pass you want from the available list. Next, enter your payment information. You can also set up your account to automatically purchase new passes when yours runs out using the Auto Load feature. Once you've purchased your pass, you're ready to ride. When you board, simply open the app and your QR code will appear. Use the TouchPass reader to scan your QR code. Make sure the QR code is lined up within the 4 hash marks on the video screen. For more information, or if you have questions, call 336-883-7278 or email contact us@partnc.org.